now we are going to make a color wheel with pastels. So you'll need your paper that is a multimedia paper that you can paint and draw on, and then you'll need a regular piece of printer paper, and that's going to protect your pastels as you're working so that you don't smear them with the side of your hand. And then you're going to need a pencil with an eraser and your pastels. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you have everything you need, and let's get started. Okay, artists, we're going to make a color wheel with pastels. So, first thing we're going to do is find the center of our paper and go above it, and if you make an OK sign, go like that, make a circle. It's going to be about that size. Okay, then you go down to the middle and out to the sides and do the same size. Like go OK. Just do it lightly, and then you can see, do a regular one. And same size. You can do another one. Okay? Now you're going to put a circle in between each one that is bigger. So we're going to make a bigger circle here and a bigger circle here and a bigger circle here. So now we have 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 big ones and 3 little ones. And we're right at the top. Color wheel. Okay, so now we're going to get out our pastels, and we can only use the primary colors. So we can only use red, yellow, and blue. And you can use white if you want. Okay, so we're going to do the primary colors in the big circles. So the first one is red, so we'll trace the red, trace a circle, and then we'll color it in little tiny circles, and you just keep moving as you color it in. Okay, now to smooth it out, you need a Q-tip. Okay, so you need some Q-tips. Take your Q-tip and you rub it so that it smooths out. You can switch to the other side. You might see that you need a little more in some spots. And just rub it some more. can tap your paper to get all the little things off. Okay? So next color is going to be blue. So we make the next big circle. We're going to skip this one and go to this one. This is the next big circle. And then we're going to make it blue. Little tiny circles. Okay, and then you use a new Q-tip, not the red one, use the new one, and you're going to blend it in. See how smooth that looks? Okay, then the last primary color is yellow. So we're gonna skip this one and do this big one. Do it yellow. Get a new Q-tip. Great. Now we're going to make the secondary colors. So red and blue make what? Purple. But we're not going to use a purple. We're not going to use a purple. We're going to make our own purple. So you take red and you color lightly. See how I'm coloring very lightly? And then you take blue and you color on top very lightly. And then you use a Q-tip and you blend it together. And I can see I need some more blue here. And you can take your white and blend it all together. It makes a purple color. Okay, so now blue and yellow make green, but we're not going to use green. We're going to use a little bit of blue, really lightly. And then use the yellow on top. And it makes green. Okay, and then one more. Red and yellow make orange, but we're not going to use orange. We're going to make our own orange. So we're going to do red really lightly. Now, to protect this, see how there's that? We're going to just tap the paper and then brush this off. And to protect this yellow so we don't smear it with our hand, we're going to put a piece of paper over it so then that we can use our hand like this. It'll protect it. So we do the red, and then do you see the green that got on the yellow? You just rub it on the paper to get the green off. There, it's all off. Okay, now I can use it on here. And I just color it in. And it makes an orange. It's kind of a dark orange, but it's still orange. If I used less red, it would look lighter orange. And see, now I have the orange on there. I can just rub it off on my paper. And now it's nice and clean. So I can put all my colors back. My white, I need to clean that off. Okay. And then I put all my colors back. Put the case back on. Put it back inside. Oh, we'll do that in a minute. These can go in here and crumple it all up, and that can be thrown away. And now, tap, 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 swipe, swipe, swipe. Now we have our color wheel, and we want to put our name on it. Miss Corie.